everyone, my name is Karthik and today I am going to give a speech on my favorite state, that is Goa. Goa is my favorite destination. Whenever I want to spend time, I always go to Goa with my family because of I love beaches in Goa and they are very neat and clean beaches in Goa and they are very less crowded. That's why I love it. Goa is the most beautiful and favorable place liked by the Indian tourist. It is also known as the paradise of West Asia. The Goa has very impressive and beautiful beaches with the over 100-kilometer coastline over the sea, which offer the beautiful view, and tourists like to relax in the sun. Goa is very safe and educated place. There are many party halls in Goa which are very cool. Some famous spots of the Goa are Dudhsagar Waterfall, Palolem Beach and the Arjuna Beach. These are all about my favorite state, Goa. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rohan and today I am going to speak some lines on Haryana. Haryana was established on 1 November 1966. It is situated in the north part of the country. There are 22 districts of Haryana. Its capital is Chandigarh. The largest city of Haryana is Faridabad. Its regional language is Haryanvi and official language is Hindi. The traditional dress of Haryana of women are ghagra, kameez and dupatta with silver jewelries, borla, tagdi and har. The traditional dress of men of Haryana are dhoti, kurta and pagdi. The famous food of Haryana are bajra roti, singri ka saag, masala roti, mixed dal, bathua raita and more. The classical dance form is the dance form of Haryana. Haryana is rich in agriculture in growing wheat and rice. My favorite state is Haryana. Thank you.
सोनेरी धरती अट्ठे चांदीरो आसमान, सोनेरी धरती अट्ठे चांदीरो आसमान, रंग रंगीलो रस भर्यो मारो राजस्थान, रंग रंगीलो रस भर्यो मारो राजस्थान. Ram Ram Sa. Hello everyone, my name is Navya. I am from grade 51 from Raj International School. As you all know, there is a speech competition on favorite states, so let's start. I think you get an idea for which state I am talking about. Yes, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a very colorful state. It is located in northern India. It is the largest Indian state by area and 7th largest state by population. It is also known as the land of kings. Its capital is Jaipur. Jaipur is also known as the pink city. Now let's talk about the food and culture of Rajasthan. The food of Rajasthan is very yummy and delicious. Some of that are gatte ki sabji, sangri and dal batti churma, etc. Now let's talk about the namkeen and sweets of Rajasthan. Bikaner is the most famous place in Rajasthan for sweets and namkeen. Some of that are rasgulla, bhujia, etc. Now let's talk about the culture of Rajasthan. The clothes that they wear are gents wear dhoti, kurta and turban, and the ladies wear lehenga, choli and odhni. Now let's talk about the culture. In folk dance, Ghumar is very famous in Rajasthan. So I want to show you a short clip of dance of Rajasthan. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Thar and today I am here to deliver a speech on my favorite state, Sikkim. Sikkim is a state in the northeastern India. It borders the Tibet Autonomous Region of China in the east and northeast, Bhutan in the east, Nepal in the west, and West Bengal in the south. Sikkim is also close to India's Siliguri carrier near Bangladesh. Sikkim is the least populous and second smallest state in the India. A part of eastern Himalaya, Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity, including alpine and subtropical climate, as well as the host of Kanchenjunga, the highest peak in India and the third highest peak on the earth. The Sikkim is the capital of Sikkim's capital, and the largest city is Gangtok. Almost 35% of the state is covered by Kanchenjunga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. There are 4 districts in the Sikkim, which is seen by the central government's appointee known as the district collector, which were in charge of the administrating the civilians. The chief minister is the Prem Singh Tangang from the SKS ruling party. The total area of Sikkim is 7,096 km square, and the population of the Sikkim is only 6,10,755. The official language of Sikkim is Nepali, English, and Lipchi. The Sikkim state's motto is Kang Song Wangdu, which means the conqueror of the 3 worlds. The Sikkim's national animal is red panda. I like Sikkim because of its beautiful valleys and the mountains. That's all about my favorite state, that is Sikkim.
Good afternoon everyone. I am here to deliver a speech on Haryana. Haryana is my favorite state. Haryana is one of the 28 states in India. Haryana is located in the northern part of the country. It was carved out from the Punjab. Haryana came into existence on 1 November 1966. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar is the chief minister and Dushyant Chautala is the deputy chief minister of Haryana. The name Haryana means the land of God. In Sanskrit, Hari means God and Ayana is home. Haryana is famous for its agricultural lands. Haryana is the largest exporter of basmati rice in India. The regional language of Haryana is Haryanvi, but its official language is Hindi. Faridabad is the largest city of Haryana. A lot of athletes and sports persons emerge out of Haryana.